This is a Mission Moon Project's collaboration with Mary Immaculate College and PDST and Lego Education. Kids then were asked to come up with ideas on how to solve problems of living on the moon. They had to have one moving part on their Lego base, and they had to have a rocket, and the rocket was part of the Mission Moon kit which every school got.
Well, one day we came into class and our teacher said something exciting was happening, and then she bring out the Lego boxes, and then we all started screaming. It was exciting, and because we didn't want to do English, we wanted to do Lego. It's probably my best time in school because I like Lego and coding.
This all started when our teacher told us that we were going to be doing the Mission Moon project. So then we started watching some videos, and then we built our moon bases. We have a house, a moon car, a factory and a greenhouse on our moon base, and a rocket.
There's a great buzz around the place. So we have over 200 children. Everyone's going to get a prize and a medal, and we have Aaron Galan here today to present the medals. We also have Gary McBeats. He's here to do rapping sessions with them. And we also have a green screen, so each school gets their photo taken on the moon. Of course, one of the main attractions of the day was the ice cream van, which made the kids really excited. It's a great experience for the kids because they get to meet each other. The kids have had a great day.
I love Lego. I think it's fun. I had a great time doing it. New teamwork and creativity.
What I've learned is that it's kind of possible to live on the moon because you can have solar panels on it, which can give you energy, and you can have plants on there that can give you oxygen as well. I don't think I ever want to go to the moon because I might get lost up there, and I don't have my family or anything.